Five spices or Panch Phoran is a combination of 5 different spices, each having their amazing health benefits. Unlike other masalas like garam masala, sabzi masala, biryani masala, etc., 5 spices are not in powder form. All these 5 different spices are used as whole, and Panch Phoran is added in preparing curries, sabzis, dals, fries and much more. Panch Phoran is something that you would easily find in places like Assam and West Bengal. But as I'm staying in southern part of India, it is not available in any grocery stores or supermarkets near my home. But luckily, all these 5 spices are readily available in individual packing. Hence, I decided to prepare Panch Phoran at home and record the same for you. Make sure to watch the entire video and try making something using Panch Phoran. The 5 spices that we need to prepare Panch Phoran are methi seeds, cumin, mustard seeds, saunf and kalonji. Methi seeds, also known as fenugreek seeds, are the tiny yellow seeds that come in angular shape. Methi helps in balancing cholesterol, improving digestive health, maintaining a healthy liver and kidney, and are also beneficial for diabetic patients. Kalonji, also known as black cumin, are the little black seeds that look almost similar to black sesame seeds. Kalonji is rich in iron, sodium, potassium and calcium. These seeds are having multiple benefits for skin, weight loss, controlling blood pressure, protecting kidney and in reducing joint pain. Next ingredient that we need is saunf. It helps to regulate blood pressure, improves eyesight and is also known to purify blood. Next thing to be used in Panch Phoran is black mustard seeds. These seeds are rich in calcium, dietary fiber, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, protein and zinc. Cumin or jeera is a rich source of iron and is really effective for people with diabetes and cholesterol related complaints. Jeera adds a nice aroma and is widely used as a spice in most of Indian curries. To make Panch Phoran, I am adding 400 grams of methi seeds, 400 grams of cumin seeds, 400 grams of mustard seeds, 400 grams of saunf, and 400 grams of kalonji. Give everything a good mix and store in an airtight container. If stored properly, you can use this Panch Phoran for months depending on the climatic conditions of the place where you live. So that was all for this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye for now.